Welcome to our video discussing the crucial role a motor vehicle crash attorney plays in ensuring your rights are protected and fair compensation is obtained. If you have recently experienced a motor vehicle crash and are unsure about the legal steps to take, this video is for you. Let's dive in and understand how a skilled attorney can assist you during this challenging time. When dealing with the aftermath of a motor vehicle crash, hiring an experienced attorney can make a world of difference. Here's why you should consider seeking legal assistance. Expertise and knowledge. A motor vehicle crash attorney specializes in this area of law, possessing extensive knowledge and experience in handling cases similar to yours. They are well-versed in applicable laws, regulations, and legal strategies to build a strong case on your behalf. Investigation and evidence gathering. Attorneys have the resources to conduct a thorough investigation into the crash, collecting crucial evidence such as accident reports, witness statements, and medical records. This evidence is crucial for building a solid case to support your claims. Legal guidance and representation. A skilled attorney will guide you through the complex legal process, providing valuable advice and representing your best interests at every step. They negotiate with insurance companies and defense attorneys on your behalf to secure fair compensation. Settlement negotiation. Oftentimes, insurance companies aim to provide the lowest possible settlement. Your attorney will negotiate with them aggressively to ensure you receive the compensation you deserve, covering medical bills, property damage, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Trial representation. If a fair settlement cannot be reached, your attorney will be prepared to take your case to trial. They will build a strong courtroom strategy, present evidence, and advocate for your rights before a judge and jury. A motor vehicle crash attorney plays a vital role in advocating for your rights and helping you navigate through legal complexities. Their expertise and dedication ensure you receive the compensation you deserve. If you have been involved in a car accident, motorcycle collision, or any other motor vehicle incident, do not hesitate to seek professional legal assistance. By hiring a motor vehicle crash attorney, you are safeguarding your future and increasing your chances of a favorable outcome. Thank you for watching our video on the importance of hiring a motor vehicle crash attorney. Remember, when it comes to your rights and fair compensation, legal expertise matters. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Take care and stay safe on the roads.